On the passenger side door, it's a bit more vexing problem. These double doors, you know, like with a removable door top, are a right pain because they don't really tighten down fully. They've got a bit of flex in them, if you see what I mean. And as you can see, when you just operate, you know, just close the door, you can see it bouncing, and it's bouncing in this top corner. It's bouncing on the seal. Yeah, it does close, but it's not perfect. Now, I'll tell you why it's not perfect. The gap down here isn't bad. The gap down there is not bad at all. A little bit tight at the bottom, but again, when I push that in, that'll take that up. But this panel here seems to be sat back just a little bit too far. So this panel here, I'm going to try and adjust it just to shift it that way just a bit. And also, this isn't too, this here, it's like this needs to go that way. So if I keep that bolted on at the top, and if I can try and move this on the slots at the bottom, not at the top, we should be able to move the windscreen just forward a little bit. Now there's 5 bolts hold the windscreen in at the top, but I've only put 3 in because we were in a bit of a rush when we did it. But I think by backing those off, I think we might be able to close this gap because it's not bad. I mean, the gap's okay, I mean, get away with it, but it could be better. Let's see if we can make it better. Sometimes you have to resort to violence. I put my little square block, this thing, which is a bit of a roundy, so this is a good handy landy part to have, and put it where the door where the bottom corner is, and I got the porta power, and I pushed this top corner. I will give you a demonstration. Not like that. And the roof, the whole structure just twists a little bit. You don't need much, just a little bit at a time. And if you use a nice rubber pad, then you don't have to take the seal off. And what do we find? Door shuts fine. The seal gap now is perfect, absolutely parallel all the way down the door, the top. Perfecto. Now, one gripe. This door sticks out a little bit than the bottom one. I don't know why that is. I think it's this top corner of the seal just holding it out a little bit. I think gradually in time when the seals settle down it'll be alright, but the rest of it's fine. It's stuck out at the top as well. But the one thing is, it's tight and it's waterproof. Or watertight, should I say. I'm quite pleased with it. I would like it a bit better, but you could spend all day tweaking doors and stuff like that. So let's get it together. Let's get it on the road and shake it down a bit. I said there was 5 bolts along the front. There's actually 8. I don't know what I was thinking of. But I'm really pleased with those doors now. They shut well. I put the 300 TDI strip across the bottom. I didn't use the 2.5 style or the 200 TDI because they're rubbish. I put the seal on the door itself. Down. Oh, let's see. The seal is on the door at the bottom. So that means that any water, anything gets down here, it can come out quite easy, you know, off your boots and things like that. So that's good. Next job. Oops, sorry. I think we'll degrease the roof and we'll stick some kill mat soundproofing on because sounds like Keith Moon could have a good old session on that. A Ringo Starr at the other side. Yeah, let's do that.